But we have to accept that there could be a strong inclination towards the 27th, that you find that many ulama, they discuss this and write about this. But as we mentioned, we shouldn't condense our lives upon this. As Imam Shanqiti speaks about Laylatul Qadr occurring 3 times inside this surah. And Laylatul Qadr contains 9 huruf, 9 letters. So 9 times 3, he deduces there could be a possibility that 27th night could be Laylatul Qadr. And some of us may think that sounds strange. Even Ibn Kathir inside his tafsir, he mentions that if you count the kalimat inside Surah Al-Qadr, Salamun hiya, you come to the pronoun damir here. Here referring back to Laylatul Qadr, the night of power of decree. Wahiya is the 27th letter inside this surah. It could be just a mere coincidence. But this all shows that some ulama have gone to that view to go towards the 27th night. But what is the more appropriate statement? Based upon the hadith, Iltamisu Laylatul Qadr fil ashr al-awakhir utlubu Laylatul Qadr fil ashr al-awakhir. Seek it in the last 10 nights. And Imam Razi, the great Mufassir, begins to discuss that there's a sir in the reason of why it's hidden. That a person has that urge, that desire for every single night, is exerting themselves in calling and imploring upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's what real ibadah is, that the impact leads the individual throughout Ramadan, through the last 10 nights of Ramadan. If that becomes difficult, seek it in the odd nights. The 21st, the 23rd, the 25th, the 27th, hatta even the 29th. And a hadith inside Sahih Muslim whereby the Prophet ﷺ, he saw a dream. And he was shown Laylatul Qadr is prostrating inside mud on that night. And that night it rained. And the mud was on his blessed face. And they said this was the 21st night. But the knowledge of it was removed because people were disputing. And this is sir inside there, because we're an ummah who loves to dispute amongst ourselves. So this knowledge has been grasped, taken away from us. Has been lifted from us because of our excessive disputing amongst ourselves, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows that it's not beneficial to disclose the exact night.